Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need the right accounts and a distribution plan. Start now. Create an Instagram business or creator account and link a Facebook page, then prepare a blog or Linktree-style landing page that can host Adsense-approved content. Once done, apply for Adsense using that domain so you have a monetization endpoint. Make sure to plan content categories that funnel viewers from Reels or posts to the landing page. This is how ad impressions convert to revenue. Now focus on content that earns. Write 3 to 5 pillar pages targeting higher CPC keywords and integrate ad slots naturally. Use Instagram Reels, carousels, and stories with strong CTAs to drive 60 to 70% of your traffic to those pages. Once traffic flows, optimize on-page SEO, meta tags, and mobile layout so ads render quickly and viewability increases. Make sure to test ad positions. Small shifts in placement and content length can raise RPM significantly over time. Finish by implementing responsive AdSense units and experiment with display, native, and matched content formats to see what works for your audience. You should track RPM, CTR, bounce rate, and sessions, and run a /B tests on headlines and thumbnails to improve engagement. If earnings lag, check for policy violations, slow loading pages, or low-quality referral traffic. Fix those first. Finally, diversify revenue with affiliate links and sponsored posts, so you're not dependent on AdSense alone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.